As soon as I can get that on, I can start taking showers inside of the boat. It's a snail. Keyword is hopefully. Hey y'all, I'm ToekneeTee, and that's Diamond the Dogho, and we're rock stars. No, like real rock stars. But this is our girl Nienke, at least that's how we found her. She's a 44-foot catamaran, and with nothing but some elbow grease and a mechatronic systems engineering degree, we're gonna bring it back to life. So join us for the journey, y'all. Middag, y'all. Het is hotter than a hoe in church outside. Shawty, I'm talking about, woo, we trying to get the blackout going on. We ordered some more of these little things. But for right now, we just trying to keep the heat out and the air on. So sad to say, this AC I bought yesterday is disappointing the shit out of me, okay? So I'm gonna end up selling both of these because I got a new one coming. Yeah, I immediately ordered a $400 16,000 BTU system the same day yesterday. Now that we got the inverter popping, I went in and ordered a refrigerator as well. That is also officially on the way. So tonight I can go grocery shopping and buy some shit that will last more than a couple hours. Really excited about that. Really excited to have some fresh fruit. Not happy about the size of fridge I got. I could only get a 5.9 because the 7 was too large to fit in that compartment. So I'll probably just get this 5.9 and then get a dedicated freezer that may sit in that one closer to the to the actual galley. So yeah, man, I'm gonna turn the air back on as my boat is clearly getting hot, and then I'm gonna probably wire up the AC panel to receive to go into the inverter, so we hook that up the right way and then start fusing out some of the big boy blocks like the fridge and the house lights. I've actually been doing a bit of designing online as well. Y'all know I like to engineer with Canva, and so I'm working on where all the lines are gonna go up. So I'm just trying to see, you know, where all the lights are gonna be and all these things. Try to plan my next round of wire ordering instead of going in and asking for random shit. That's enough for now. See y'all in a minute when that shit starts getting here. Hey y'all, ToekneeTee coming to you live and in real time. Today is July 28th, and I just want to say thanks. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really does help keep this boat moving. We're one engine away, this one right here, from being able to finally pull out of this port and start our nautical endeavor. But I want to say big shout out to everybody joining our digital crew. We got Cassandra this week, we got Jermaine this week, we got Bruce this week, we got Donald this week. Yo, we turning up in this thing. Every little bit helps over there, but it's totally free to donate and join. We give you bonus videos. We show you how much all this stuff costs. That's enough of me blabbing. I gotta go fix my anchor. So I'll see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of the video. So our new air conditioner. Getting ready to ease too. Hopefully. This one will do what we need it to. Hopefully. Keyword is hopefully.
Ik ken de leden, is het dangerous. Niet alleen voor de oorzaak, dit hele dag gewoon staan. Iedereen in een reden van, zodat iedereen zit de hele tijd met de bezig gaan. Oh, sis, geen confetti. Wij win the fear, but we know that already. Ways in die weten, sound the low steady in it. Who is a girl like you, always ready? Hey, hey. Too many grenzen, too many wensen. Niemand kan helpen kijken vanaf een venster. Je brengt je thuis en laat je achter me gaan rusten. What a nice gesture.
Had to turn the air off for a minute. So yeah, man, we got a nice refrigerator. I'm gonna get it to where it's going to. I'm gonna plug everything straight into the inverter. You shouldn't plug it straight into the inverter, but since it's the only thing going to the inverter, to my massive ass inverter, I feel a wee bit safe letting it run up until I get enough cable to fully hook up the AC outlet. So yeah. Alright, you can tell by how much I'm sweating. I moved it from over there to over here, and it doesn't fit in there. But luckily, well, Alvin y'all along. Het is zondag, Sunday. Today, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little drunk. We was just kicking it, man. You see my boy doing his thing. But I did, I'm gonna have to get the fridge replaced because the arm is bent on the hinge and it doesn't create the seal that I need. So like, it's always, you know, getting hot inside, I reckon. But what I did do was I installed the porthole covers on that side, or the to the bilge. So, because one, I won't hear all the shit going on in there, but two, that's not a place where rats can hide. But other than that, we kept it kind of easy today, and tomorrow, besides returning that fridge, the mission is to at least get the shower sump online, because it's connected to an accumulator. I think that's one. It's just like two things. I need to get that online. I got a DC panel coming, and some blackout curtains coming, and a couple things coming tomorrow from Amazon. But long story short, we should be able to get the panel popping. So yeah, see y'all later. Morgen allemaal. Het is maandag. It's the 4th. I told myself I'm gonna get these pumps pumping today, this week. Because when I really think about it, it's not that many lines. If I'm really being honest, I gotta double check, but I think these are the only 2 lines here that come from the starboard side. And these all come from the where all the electronics are. And so I was gonna just snip them over there, but I said, nah, man, I'm gonna try to just pull them bitches through. That way I can just pull these through them lines, through those existing holes, and cover up some holes, and I ain't gotta, yeah, it'll just be way more cleaner if I do it like that. And so this is the problem with DIY, because I got the money to hire a motherfucker, but then I ain't got the time to be vetting up, not like vetting them, but then like having them come through and like goddamn, you know, make sure everything's straight. So it's like I might as well just do it myself. I'm gonna feel better when I get done. But I probably will have some electrician come through at the very, very end and clean all this shit up, make it look prim and proper. I'm just getting a rough draft right now. My fridge, it's got a bent handle on it, and so it's got a little leak on it, and so I got a new one coming. Well, they're gonna come get that one on Wednesday, but I'm gonna try to get them to just give me a replacement instead of a return of my money back, because I need a fridge now. I got used to having a fridge. But yeah, man, that's our mission for today. We're gonna get these Hoedverdom cables through the thing. This one is, I'm pretty sure this is where the sump pump is, right there in the corner to the right. Pretty sure that's where that's at. And as soon as I can get that on, I can start taking showers inside of the boat. I've been taking showers in the boat, but I've had to like suck that out. So I'm trying to get shit done. So let's get shit done.
Let me know, let go. Wanna go? I do. Keys, you know. Nope. Whisper. Sister. Boy. Going on in the car. Fast.
Yeah, well, so we officially got everything out. So now these are gonna have to go through there. Probably center. Send them through there. I'll probably send them back through there actually. Use the hole that we already got. And everything's gonna come through here and then go to our DC panel, which you're gonna set up over there. So I'm really excited about that. I'm really proud of myself. It wasn't as much as I thought it was gonna be. Yeah. I'm learning that if I, you know, with software engineering, sometimes it's not about like sitting there in front of the computer coding all day. Sometimes it's about like thinking about the process, and then like that'll save you a lot more time when you start executing. So it's a snail. I let this thing down for a half a second, and he So I wanted to give y'all a little resolution. So we pulled all the wires through, and then got to that pump that I was looking for. Like, luckily matched it, and the cables weren't broken. But the problem is that it was connected to the accumulator in the water pump, which is cool. Don't get me wrong. There was no bilge pump in that line of succession. So I hit the little group of people who own the same Shuttleworth boats, and apparently ain't nobody got no bilge pumps. So I've been dreading looking for and wasting all of today looking for a pump that didn't exist. So we're gonna put one in. We're gonna get a good one. We're gonna get a nice strong one. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna route that. But the good thing is that we did we got to that sump pump. That was the actual goal of today. We got to the sump pump. We got it powered on. It wasn't really sucking up water like I wanted it to, so we're gonna get a new one. Here's what it is. But other than that, I'm gonna keep playing with Diamond. Goedemiddag.